Lakhs of devotees thronged the Badadanda in Puri as the Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath began amid incessant rain. Elaborate rituals, including Chhera Pahara by Gajapati Maharaj Divya Singh Dev, preceded the pulling of the three chariots to Sri Gundicha temple. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended greetings on the sacred occasion of Rath Yatra. Odisha CM Mohan Charan Majhi and Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan also greeted the people on the occasion and prayed for happiness, peace and prosperity in everyone's life. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan visited Govardhan Mutt in Puri during Rath Yatra. He sought blessings from Sankaracharya Swami Nishchalananda Saraswati, calling it a moment of spiritual guidance. The mutt is one of the 4 mutts established by Adi Sankaracharya. Odisha CM Mohan Charan Majhi launched Samarpan, a secure digital hundi platform for Sri Jagannath Temple in Puri. Devotees worldwide can now make online donations. The initiative was inaugurated at SJTA office in Puri on the eve of Rath Yatra. The IMD forecast heavy rainfall across Odisha, including Puri, under the influence of a Bay of Bengal low pressure system. The weatherman issued red alert for extremely heavy rainfall over the districts of Sambalpur, Deoghar, Anugul, Sonpur, Baudh during the next 24 hours. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval urged BIMSTEC nations to strengthen regional cooperation against evolving security challenges. Speaking at the 5th meeting of BIMSTEC National Security Chiefs in New Delhi, he called for decisive collection action amid global geopolitical conflicts. The Supreme Court voiced concern over CBSE's plan to introduce a third language in Class 9, observing it would increase stress. The bench suggested introducing it earlier in Class 5 or 6 to help students cope better. Speculation over BJP move Trinamool MP Rukmini Malik, popularly known as Koel Malik, resigned from the Rajya Sabha 3 months after election. She is the 4th TMC MP to quit post-poll defeat in Bengal, sparking speculation of a possible shift to BJP. Defending champions Argentina defeated England 2-1 in the FIFA World Cup semi-final at Atlanta Stadium, USA. Argentina will now face Spain in the title clash, setting up a high-voltage final between two European and South American giants. The second ODI between India and England is underway at Sophia Gardens, Cardiff. India earlier defeated England by 6 wickets in Birmingham to lead the 3-match series 1-0, aiming to seal the contest with another victory.